The All Meghalaya SSA Non-Teaching Staff Association, led by President Jennifer Sinrem, has reiterated its demands for a salary increase and payment of dues. The association met with Education Minister of Meghalaya Rakam A. Sangma on the 14th of June 2024, expressing dissatisfaction with the government's response, even as the minister concerned has assured the association of taking the matter into account. General Secretary of the Association, Barikupar Malimngap, stated that the AMS-NSA is prepared to take further action if their demands are not met.
Akan digajan mir kemata nilayo punya kendu ya education minister urakam esangma. But kajing khor kajung galong hadian kajing penmi kajungi ya ke press conference bangina mi ban dawan sarkar bagan penkiono ya ketulok kajungi. Tiha kajing ya kereng kajungi akan digajan mir kemata nakaliang jung education minister keran yangi ba nakaliang jung unsasyon kya ya bede bagan kajing dawa kajungi ban penkiono ya ketulok. Kai kajing bat kai ke bami nang tu pada kalong ba nakaliang jungi ngim dapat das nguhun hadu kata ban ngim dai ngim yoru kanu assurance ba ni education minister un ayangi tena kaliang jungi ni don ya kajing community ba sarkar ka dewan pendap ya kan kajing dawa ban penolong kajing dawa kajungi hapo kini isngi ke bangi labu por balada kamja ai hapo kini kisngi ki bangi ngila bupor na dukuto sngi bungi press conference kamu nagaliang jong action gajongi yin haban perkhat lagi wai pat kisinjam kuno ban penbor ya sarkar bahkan penterikam ya dari enhancement gajongi sinjam kalomba hadien bang ngim UI ba kandon kanu no gajing seso ngin haban syong ya ka executive committee tenaka executive committee ngin haban raya ka ipat kisinjam ke bangi ne ban sim kala aban long ke bakham bangin haban jarwa igi skor sarkar abor khatsan singi kajungi kadang ne bat ngi kermen ro bahapo kani ka khatsan singi ke bangi ngi aipor kamu nakalian jok sarkar ka deban le ai kai kala dam le ai kamu nakalian jungi lalong ibla pun kre